Hello, good morning. All right, it looks like we are live. And I was right, the music is a little bit loud for you guys. It's a bop though. Okay, so we are continuing to go through my old chemistry notes. Uh, the last stream that we did, we basically actually turned everything into bullet points. Um, I apologize if you can hear my cat. He's just existing today and being very loud about it. Um, and we need to figure out this fraction stuff because the library that we're using right now is not really working. I do remember that. We added geometry, I think, and we added this quantities library. Oh no, these are geometry options. It basically talks about the size of the page and stuff. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my crazy notebook, or not notebook, but some of the documentation. Okay, so we imported quantities. And that's how we're gonna get our symbols here, depicted by the symbols. So we're gonna go through and update some of these. Charge, quantity. Let's see here. And this is how we're getting the SI units package. Okay. And then I think I have pi. That's our big old table. Is this the derivatives? I don't need that anymore. I have this 7-page PDF pulled up, reproducible documents with Python text. That's cool. Then we have LaTex MK, which I need to install. That's the compiler that takes this document here and turns it into a PDF. Right now I have the thing available for it. um, and it's just kind of commented out right now. So I have the code ready. The problem is I don't have it installed on my computer, so it's not going to work. And apparently installing LaTeX MK on a Windows machine is kind of complicated, and you have to install Perl because of specific wrappers and stuff, and I'm working on it slowly, very slowly, but that's okay. Here we go. Here's, I believe, the Sinutext PDF. Let's see here. Yes, yes it is. I found the docs for the Sinutech. It's 43 pages. Let's see if we can find coulombs. That's a big fat no. I think y'all could hear my desktop ding sound. That means the thing you were searching for is not found. Then we need electrons as well, but electrons is part of a different thing, I thought. Yeah. Let's see what you are a part of. Physics ideograms. SVRSY, or SVR symbols. Let's do Python SVR symbols. Need the CTAN package. And it's gonna be in my text. Extended math fonts, math symbol font, American Mathematical Society font. Go to the README and figure out. Let's see here. I want to. Okay, I want to open a workspace from a file, and I don't want to do that. Hold on. Okay, cool. Okay. That's not exactly what I want to do. And I don't want to do that either. Or that. I just want to open up a file. Okay, cool. This is the README for the SVR. Usually in the README it gives you install instructions. That didn't happen, so that's cool. Let's see if I can go to documentation and let's see if it'll open. It's only 5 pages. That's cool. There's no way that's resistivity. I guess we didn't have a symbol for resistivity. But it doesn't have one for resistance. I guess because it's a Greek thing. But what I needed was for coulombs. It's got the electron symbol in there. And then it's got source code. Declare math symbol. I remember seeing something about that earlier. This declare math symbol command can only be used in math mode. How do you turn on math mode? I don't even know. It's happened a couple of times where they've said, Python LaTex turn on math mode. Oh my god. LaTeX to SymPy. Well, it does SymPy from the original LaTeX, but it's easier to go from Python and NumPy with the lambdify command. That's really funny. There's a command word in Python called lambda, and it basically makes you iterate over something over and over and over again. So that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Cool. So to turn on math mode, let's get to equation. There's not one for charge. There is one for current. Um, okay, so we're adding this item to this list, but we want it to be in equation form. So I think we can do slash begin equation. Yeah, it's saying that that's an error right now. It's saying that the parenthesis was not closed. It is closed, it's right there. And then expected expression. We can do slash end equation. It's interesting. It's considering this to be a break text. What if I put this inside this quotation here? And what if I move this inside this quotation? So we're getting the slash begin, but the slash end isn't working out. I'm kind of curious what this will do. I'm gonna run it. We have the old one here. What? What is this? I don't know what this is. Why is it red? This is line 43. There's nothing wrong there. I just don't know what this is. This is where I want to compile, right? Why is there a slash inside the equation thing? I don't know what's happening. I think I already did that. I did. Cancel. Show in folder. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have it open already. That's why I did that. Okay, cool. Because I don't know what's happening, and I want to know, the... Oh, no. This is the README for that compiler for Strawberry Pearl. That's cool. Installation. I need the MSI installer. So we're in a text editor right now. That's so weird. Okay. Um. Oh, last time I did the zip file and I wanted to do the MSI. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the Strawberry Pearl. Um, and we'll see what happens. Cause I want to know if this is like right or if it's wrong. And I think this check text, like, reload, update now. Finish. I have a README. I don't want the release notes. Okay. That's cool. The README automatically opened. We already looked at that. History restored. Cool. I'm in the right thing. I have the Strawberry Pearl installed. Can we please read this as a PDF, please? We still have our full text. No LaTeX compiler was found. Okay, so now we need to go back to my LaTeX MK homepage. And then here, I need to make sure that this environment has LaTeX MK installed. Conda list. This will list out all the environments that are installed. And I'm looking for LaTeX MK, which is not installed. Let me do a pip freeze to see if it was installed via pip. No. No, we have LXML. Okay, so I have to download another console. That's annoying. I got it installed. Kinda. Okay, so now I'm downloading an exe. And it's gonna take another minute or so. And then I have to open up the console for it and make sure that I set I have to install the LaTex MK package there, and then I should be able to call it here. I do believe that's how this is going to work. This process means I'm asking my computer to do something, and in this case it's to call the LaTeX MK library, and I'm passing in this full text as a thing. But I think I can do LaTeX dash PDF here as the command to generate that PDF file that we're looking for. Okay, my installer is done downloading. I'm opening it now. Next. Cool. And I just set my default paper size to A4 and to ask me before doing any package updates. And I'm only installing it for myself. You know, there's a lot of great things about Python, but this is an example of using Python to do a task that another coding language does really great, and it going poorly. My installing is fully green and my overall progress is fully green, but it's still doing things, so I don't know what's happening. Okay, next. Let's check for updates. Do not tell me more. Okay, cool. Now I should be able to find it. Yep, I have the app now. Check for updates. Cool. I just downloaded it and I'm getting an error message that says updates. Check for updates. Cool. There are updates available. 166. That is so many. I'm gonna say update now. Already running. Where did you go? Okay. Oh, cool. It has all of the LaTeX library documentation, and it has like stuff from Babel. It's got some BibTeX stuff, which I've seen before. It's got lots of stuff. Packages. I want to search for the LaTeX MK package, please. Yes, this one. Installed. How do I install it? Can I add it? Yes, I can. Cool. It is installed. I'm gonna go ahead and do these source and docs as well. I know that y'all can't see what I'm working on, but I am doing some back-end stuff. Thank you for your patience. And now here we have this. Okay. Now, if I run this, what happens? No compiler was found. Either specify a compiler. Okay, so we need to specify the LaTeX compiler. Okay. I want to use the compiler I just did, not LaTeX compiler. Let's see. Is this the 7-page PDF? No. I'm looking at a slideshow. They're using Jenga. Specify LaTeX compiler, LaTeX MK. There we go. Stack Overflow, my best friend. No answers. Are you sure you have LaTeX installed? Let's try that. Let's do PDF LaTeX version. Command not found. Okay. Oh. I'm pretty sure that I have PDF LaTeX installed. Conda list. It's not here. Let me look at my pip freeze here. Okay, it's not in the pip either. Okay, it's saying that you have to restart Python. So let me conda deactivate. And that just turns off whatever environment you're in. And then I'm going to reactivate. It's also saying that you have to like end whatever process you're doing. Okay. Not technically running Python, and I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this window and open up a new one, which I'm gonna add here. No. It's not that one. Nope. It's not that one. It's not that one. I can't do that one. Or that one. It's not showing the command prompt window that I just pulled up in my scenes as an available option to choose, so I'm going to go ahead and navigate to a folder and hopefully be able to open it from there. Let's see here. Oh yeah, now you can see it. Cool. Okay, so we've restarted our Python. We're in the base environment right now. Let's go ahead and activate our specific environment here. Okay, now we're in the specific environment. PDF LaTex version. Okay, so now we have the version, which is pretty cool. We just needed to restart our command prompt. That's pretty cool. Now we should be able to run this. It's still saying to specify a compiler. That means I need to do some path stuff. So that's pretty cool. Cool. Let me see if I can add this, so is it a display capture? Create new path. Okay. I don't want that, actually. Where is that? We're going to delete this because that's not what I want. Is it a window capture? Yeah, it's a window capture. Create new path. Okay. There it is. There it is in all of its glory. Okay. So, you can't even see what I clicked on. Okay, so I have to go to path. So I just clicked on environment variables down there, and I'm clicking on my path. And I need to add, what is it? Let's see here. Add PDF LaTex to path. Oh God. That's what I need, path. In Windows, confound, and there's no new. Cool. Now, okay, so I'm trying to add an environment variable, and I need to find my PDF LaTeX installation, and I need to add that specific path to my environment variables. These are my global environment variables, right? So I have, so far I have Anaconda 3, which is what Conda, my command prompt that you see in pretty colors up there, runs off of. Then I have my NCBI Blast, which is what I use BioPython for. I also have another text editor called Atom, and that is also in my paths. VS Code, the code editor that you're seeing right now, is in my paths. Google Cloud SDK is also in my paths. And here I'm seeing McText actually already on there. It's in my path. So that's not what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead to that. Yeah, that left. That shouldn't be true anymore. Do I need to reload this? I wish there was an easy way to reload this. Cool. So we needed another reload, and we were able to do that. Now let's run. Okay. No LaTex compiler. Is it because it's called McText? Now it's telling me it's not the environment variable, which is the easy thing to fix. It's my bash profile. Let's see here. PDF LaTex, still searching. I need to go to local drive, and I need to see my secret files, please. No, it's gonna be under users. I am seeing my secret files, that's good. I need my .bash. Yeah, here we go. Bash profile. What about my Conda RC? Okay, that's cool. It's saying that in the documentation, it's saying that I need to have the bin on the path. It's saying that I can run a command here, echo export path equal root / bin to the path and then add that to my /bash profile. Hold on, I'm in the wrong folder for this. cd root, please. ls. Yeah, that looks right. Cool. And then here I can do the echo export path equals root bin for Shaw path and add this to my root .bash profile. Okay, now I should be able to look at that, look at my bash profile, and it should be there now. Yes, it is. Okay, so that being said, let's get back to our project folder. Desktop, in a folder called Data Science. I am losing my voice, y'all. Then it's under projects, and then college notes and LaTex. Cool. So that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna X out of this command prompt, and I want to see if there's not an easy way for me to restart LaTeX. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out my VS Code window, bring it back. That's pretty cool. And then history restored, that's good. I need to bring up another bash profile. And I'll double check my scenes here in a little bit to make sure that they are correct. I think if I just do conda activate college notes and LaTeX, it should just populate for you guys. I see, no it didn't, okay. I've got I want to get rid of this, that was a one-time thing. Terminal. Okay, it's not showing yet. Let me bring up desktop / Meanwhile, what you are seeing up on my screen is my Jupyter notebook, and you can see that it's been saving quite a bit because I haven't done anything in a little while. I have that running in the background right now. Okay, I should be able to bring this up now. Give me this. Yes, that one. This is the one that I want. Okay. Yeah, OBS and the names of these are not terribly friendly. We should be able to run this now. I say that and it's gonna break. Oh, look at that! Look at that. Package cannot be found. Okay. Install. Here we have these. We have a log. That's pretty cool. But what I'm really looking for is this here, subprocess call LaTeX MK, and I'm looking for the PDF. Is that this? No, that's our environment. That's our YML. I don't need that. Sorry about my alarm. So this ran with no errors. Do I need to run it? Do I need to run this again? Do I need to do anything here? Okay, interesting. Hold on, I'm getting rid of all of these, and then I'm gonna hit run. Conda activate, that's great. Okay, I have another package that I need installed apparently. There's another package, install geometry, that's great. squeeze geometry up there. Okay, problems. 32. Our terminal output. Let's see here. Initial when change them to CP 1252. RC files read none. This is LaTeX MK. That's pretty cool. Applying roll PDF LaTeX. Reasons for rerun, change files, changed user, never run, PDF LaTeX, no destination, running PDF LaTeX, cool, a PDF text, cool, we have a PDF! Cool, okay, so now, so we have this. We have a bunch of dot stuff. I'm not sure all of those need to be there. They might need to be there. And this is where we start working in different files in our space here so that we don't clog up our little directory there. I'm gonna go ahead and open Adobe. And we're gonna open up this particular thing. And I'm gonna show it to y'all to see what we made. Data science projects. College notes and LaTeX. There it is. Open. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay. We're gonna add a window capture. We're gonna call this one PDF. Okay. What? That's... Is it this one? This one. Oh my god, it's horrible. Why is it so big? Properties. Cheese. Capture method. There. So much better. Properties. Why is it so big? It's so giant. This is what streamers do in the background, y'all. Okay. There we go. I'm just gonna cover that up real quick. Isn't it beautiful? And we're gonna get rid of this panel. So this is what's happening in our LaTeX document. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So what is pretty cool? Oh no, our tabs didn't tab. Here. Okay. Okay, so this looks good. Like, right? Like instrumental analysis, and then we have direct current. That's pretty good. However, what's kind of less good is this math RMQ thing that we did. Maybe we should just leave it as a Q, or figure out how to use some stuff. I don't know. And that positive is kind of funny. Okay, then we have, this is just not good. But this at least tells us that, you know, we have some work to do. Also, none of our tabs worked. That's pretty cool. Yeah, none of our tabs worked. So everything right now is the same importance, and that's just not good. That's not what we want. I'm so happy that we can actually look at the PDFs. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide this PDF for a little bit, and we're gonna try to figure out some stuff. Okay, we have our add item here, and we're working with this with doc create thing because that allows us to have a table of contents later on, which is going to be important. And we have this section and we have this subsection and then we have some items in that section. And we want to do some stuff with these items. Like we want to have equations and whatnot. And what I'm kind of curious is on these items if we can have line equations and stuff. That's going to be interesting. So we figured out one thing. We need to get the SVRS symbols. And it looks like we need to do like kind of like a up here with geometry. It looks like we need to do a slash declare math symbol. And it's telling us invalid character. Maybe we need to do something like electron symbol equals. I don't think that's gonna work either. Declare math symbol. We need an electron. Because we've already used that. Dude, this one, please. Declare math symbol, open brackets, slash electron, close brackets, open brackets, math, method, open more brackets, SVR symbols, close brackets, open brackets. It's a backtick A. No. Just one. Okay, cool. SVR symbols, unknown word. So that's not what we need to do, but we need to figure out something about that, right? Do we need to import SVR symbols like we did with the quantities? It's in MikTeX, so let me pull up my fancy new little, or MikTeX, however you say it, my fancy little console, and let me see if I can add it as a package. SVR symbols. Okay, I don't have it installed. I can add it. And then for us to be able to use it, we're going to have to reload everything. And on that very exciting note, I actually have to, I have to go. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit save on this. And the big thing that we have going for us today is I'm gonna add these particular things, not the PDF, but where's our, I want to look at our ignore, and we are going to ignore all files that have this AUX, the FD, FDB, LaTex MK, this .fls, and we're gonna save that. And then here we should be able to see that we have updated our get ignore, get add dot get ignore. Hold on, get add dot get ignore. Get status, get commit message, add new LaTex file extensions, and then get status. Now we can see that we have updated get add, and I'm going to add both of these together. I might not always, but I am today, because that's kind of what we accomplished today, right? And then eventually we're get add full. There we go. It's not going to be called full PDF anymore because we're going to be generating a series of PDFs, right? Eventually it's going to be called, you know, instrumental analysis, direct current or something. Because we're going to end up generating a series of PDFs that are all under this thing called instrumental analysis. We are going to commit message, add PDF compiler functionality. And now we can see what we do, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and push up these commits from today. And we are going to figure out how to get, you know, our stuff spaced over appropriately. We're going to figure out how to get our equations embedded. And I think right now it might be because of we're adding these add items. I think that's not always going to be the case. We might need to look at itemize and see what other methods we can use to get, you know, some additional levels to our bullet points. Anyway, thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. And if you have questions, just leave them in the comments. Bye.